College Campus Map. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Northbridge College. I will give you a short campus orientation so you can find the main buildings and services during your first week. We are starting at the main entrance. Some students arrive through the north entrance from the bus stop, but today's tour begins here at the main entrance near the information board. As you come through the main doors, reception is on the left side. Last year it was on the right, but that desk is now only used for visitors during open days. If you walk straight ahead, you will reach the central courtyard. The library is behind the central courtyard, not beside the garden area, so continue past the benches before turning towards it. On your right, you will see the art studio. The science block is next to the art studio. It is the newer grey building with large windows. Computer support is on the ground floor near the lifts, but the computer rooms for students are on the first floor. Go up one level and turn left. The cafe is easy to find because it is beside the sports hall. Do not go towards the dining room near the residence block, that is for students living on campus. Student Services is opposite the library. It used to be inside the administration building, but it moved this year so students can find advice more easily. Bike racks are behind the health center. There are a few spaces near the main gate, but the covered racks are behind the health center. Parking is limited during building work. Visitor parking is near the west gate, but temporary student parking is near the east gate this month. Finally, study rooms cannot be booked at reception. Students must book study rooms online through the college website. Please keep this route in mind today, and check the signs outside each building if you need extra help. Zoo Visitor Route. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Lakeside Zoo. I will explain the best visitor route, the main animal areas, show times, and a few useful facilities. If you are visiting with a coach group, you may enter through the north gate. However, for today's general visitor route, please start at the south gate near the ticket office. From the south gate, follow the wide path straight ahead. The Monkey Island is popular, but it comes later. The first animal area on this route is the elephant enclosure. After the elephant enclosure, turn left at the small fountain. The reptile house used to be near the old cafe, but now it is opposite the cafe, beside the shaded seating area. Continue past the reptile house and you will see the children's farm. It is not beside the playground, it is beside the butterfly garden. The bird show is in the open theater. Some old maps still show the time as 2 o'clock, but the bird show now starts at 2:30. If you want a quiet place for lunch, the picnic area is near the duck lake. Please do not sit on the grass near the flamingo pool, as that area is closed for repairs. The cafe is behind the gift shop. Some visitors look for it near the main entrance, but you need to walk past the gift shop first. Feeding time at the penguin pool is 3:15. The sea lion talk is earlier, at 3 o'clock, so check you are waiting at the correct pool. The gift shop closes at 5 o'clock. The zoo paths remain open for another half hour, but the shop doors close at 5. At the end of your visit, please leave by the east gate. The west gate is only for staff vehicles and deliveries. Enjoy your visit, and please follow the signs if any paths are closed during the afternoon. Museum floor plan.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Westbridge Museum. I will explain the floor plan, the main galleries, and the visitor facilities before you begin your visit. When you enter the building, the information desk is in the entrance hall. It used to be near the shop, but that area is now used for ticket checks. If you need a paper map, do not queue at reception today. Museum maps are available near the stairs, just before you reach the main corridor. The History Gallery has moved recently. It was on the first floor last year, but it is now on the second floor, above the Art Gallery. The lift is easy to find. It is beside the education room, not beside the toilets as shown on some older signs. The Art Gallery is opposite the theatre. If you pass the theatre doors, turn around and you will see the Art Gallery entrance directly across the corridor. The cafe is on the ground floor. Some visitors expected upstairs near the terrace, but that space is closed for renovation. The workshop room is next to the Science Gallery. It is not the room beside the History Gallery. That room is only for staff. The temporary exhibition closes at 4:30 today. The rest of the museum remains open until 5 o'clock, but the temporary exhibition closes earlier. The museum shop is near the east exit. It is not near the main doors, although there are posters there advertising the shop. At the end of your visit, please leave through the glass doors. The wooden doors are being used only as an entrance this week. Thank you for listening, and please ask a member of staff if you need help finding any gallery.
Sports Complex Map. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Rivergate Sports Complex. I will explain the layout of the building, the main sports areas, and a few important services. Visitors should enter through the front entrance. The side entrance is only for staff and delivery vehicles, so please do not use it during your first visit. When you come inside, reception is opposite the membership desk. The booking desk is further along the corridor, so do not stop there if you need general information. The tennis courts have moved since last year. They used to be beside the car park, but now they are behind the sports hall. The swimming pool is next to the training room. Some people look for it near the gym, but the gym is on the other side of the building. The fitness studio is on the first floor. There is a small exercise room on the ground floor, but regular fitness classes are held upstairs. The changing rooms are beside the pool area. The lockers near reception are only for short visits and should not be used before swimming. The booking desk closes at 6:15. The main reception stays open until 7 o'clock, but court bookings cannot be changed after 6:15. The cafe is near the squash courts. It used to be beside the sports shop, but that area is now used for extra seating. Parking is different for members and visitors. Member parking is near the east gate, but visitor parking is near the west gate. Finally, new members should collect their cards from the admin office. The membership desk can answer questions, but it does not print cards. Please follow the signs in the main corridor, and ask staff if you are unsure where to go. Shopping Center Facilities. Hello, and welcome to Brookfield Shopping Center. This short guide will help new visitors find the main facilities, shops, and services around the center. The main entrance is beside the bus stop on Market Road. There is also a side entrance near the taxi rank, but most visitors should use the main entrance because it leads straight into the central hall. Once you enter, the information desk is opposite the shoe shop. It used to be near the clothes shop, but it moved last month when the central hall was changed. If you want something to eat, the food court is on the second floor. Some signs still point to the first floor, but those signs are being replaced this week. Public toilets are near the department store on the left side of the center. There are toilets near the cinema too, but those are for staff only. The glass lift is beside the bookshop. The lift near the supermarket is mainly for deliveries, so visitors should use the glass lift if they need step-free access. The cinema is above the food court. You can reach it by lift or by the stairs beside the cafe area. Families with young children may want the play area. It is next to the toy shop, not beside the children's clothes shop as shown on some old maps. The pharmacy is on the ground floor, close to the bank machines. The health store is upstairs, but medicines and prescriptions are handled by the pharmacy downstairs. The customer service desk closes at 8:30. Most shops stay open until 9 o'clock, but refunds and lost property reports must be handled before 8:30. Finally, free parking is available in the North Car Park. The South Car Park is closer to the cinema, but it is paid parking after 6 o'clock. Please check the digital boards in the Central Hall if you need directions during your visit.